Hello my lovely, welcome to my kitchen. If you are seeking an easier, quicker but absolutely delicious Akara or Koose recipe, then this one is for you. This only requires few ingredients such as onion, paprika and chili powder. However, the main ingredients you would need is pure beans flour. Yes, just like this one. It's been peeled and milled to a fine powder. There is no soaking, peeling or blending of beans, but then the result will shock you. And if you love the simplicity of this recipe, go ahead and like this video already and share, and please consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much. So now that we've got some pure beans flour in a bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add all the seasonings that we introduced at the earlier stage. In no time at all, you can make your own Koose or Akara mix at home to use anytime you wish. However, as the title suggests, I will share an equally second method of achieving the perfect Akara. It is a smart business idea as well, you know. Just get some packaging ready and mix them and package them nicely, and then you are ready for business. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to leave a like on the page, and thank you so much for watching. Enjoy! Without soaking of beans, peeling and blending, we've made just the perfect akara or kose without a sweat. I do hope you like this simple recipe. If you do, please leave me a like on the page and consider subscribing for more creative cooking ideas. My name is Ousua. I thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Until then, take care and stay blessed, my lovely. Bye bye.